Hey guys, today we have 11 survival gear that you must have before heading to the wilderness. Representing the forefront of self-defense evolution, this Taser Bolt 2 energy weapon is an indispensable asset for those prioritizing preparedness in an unpredictable world. Concealed within its unassuming exterior lies the power to create a 15-foot safety zone, offering a vital buffer against threats. With an impressive 30-second incapacitation duration, it grants you precious moments to escape or take control. Integrated with the Axe and Protect app, it seamlessly notifies emergency dispatch upon activation, bolstering your chances of rescue. Reinforcing its value for survivalists, the Bolt 2 is fortified by the Safe Escape Replacement Guarantee, ensuring its reliability when you need it most. In any survivalist arsenal, the Survivor Filter Straw is an essential tool for water purification. Engineered for bug-out bags, emergency kits, and global expeditions, its triple filtration system functions with precision, purifying water down to an extraordinary 0.05 micron level, ensuring microscopic cleanliness. Boasting a remarkable 400% improvement over the live straw at 0.2 microns, this straw proves its mettle in even the harshest conditions, whether navigating the rugged trails or venturing overseas. This straw lets you drink directly from diverse water sources or easily connect to collapsible canteens and threaded bottles. The Survivor Filter Straw is essential for survival, which ensures safe hydration in the wilderness. The GPCA Carabiner Keychain LITE is the ultimate survival companion, seamlessly blending versatility and durability for your wilderness endeavors. This essential EDC tool transcends its compact size by serving as a multifunctional powerhouse, from a trusty bottle opener to a dog leash handle, box cutter, and pry tool. Crafted from rugged materials such as titanium, steel, or aluminum, it proves its mettle as a dependable companion during your rugged adventures, easily attaching to your belt loop or backpack. In critical moments of self-defense, its quick-access knuckle becomes your shield, providing an upper hand against potential threats. Introducing the Hypershell, an extraordinary exoskeleton designed to amplify your survival capabilities during every adventure. Whether ascending towering peaks, exploring remote landscapes, or navigating challenging terrains, the Hypershell Omega empowers you to surpass your limits. With its state-of-the-art robotics, ergonomic design, and AI integration, this compact exoskeleton redefines power and versatility. Say farewell to exhaustion during demanding treks, and welcome the freedom to explore uncharted territories outside your comfort zone. The revolutionary Omega system, featuring a central motor and 8 passive joints, enhances assist effectiveness and performance, redefining endurance and strength. For the intrepid traveler, photographer, or mountain enthusiast, the Hypershell revolutionizes your journey, becoming your endurance partner, productivity booster, and ultimate survival tool. The Sahara Sailor Survival Axe is the ultimate survival gear for outdoor enthusiasts, combining 24 essential tools in one compact package. Ideal for off-road tours, camping, hiking, backpacking, fishing, and emergency situations, this versatile kit ensures you're fully prepared for any wilderness challenge. Its dual-purpose axe attachment and screw-on extension bars allow for driving tent stakes and cutting branches, while the adjustable shovel head with a range of angles transform it into a shovel, hoe, or saw. The meticulously designed compact carrying bag keeps all components organized and secure, ensuring nothing gets lost during your adventures. With its ingenious design and multifunctionality, the Survival Axe is a reliable and indispensable companion, empowering you to tackle the great outdoors with confidence and readiness. The Streamlight Survivor embodies reliability and functionality, making it an indispensable addition to any survival gear arsenal, aiding you in navigating challenges and illuminating your path with confidence. Its low-profile bezel seamlessly integrates with gear, while the secure clip and D-ring facilitate convenient attachment. Powered by the Streamlight's SLB26 protected USB rechargeable battery pack, it ensures enduring performance. With a Class 1 Div 2 rating, this light is tailored for rugged environments. Equipped with advanced LED technology, it offers 3 versatile lighting modes: high for penetrating smoke with a super bright beam, low for extended brightness and runtime, and flash for signaling. Next, we have the Boost Oxygen Canister, a vital component for any survival kit, which offers a pack of 2 natural-flavored 10-liter supplemental oxygen bottles. Designed for portability, these canisters feature a built-in mouthpiece, making them easily accessible on the go. With its green and silver design, this oxygen boost aids in combating jet lag, low oxygen levels in the air, and various conditions. Perfect for high-altitude travel, athletes pushing their limits, and older individuals seeking enhanced oxygen intake, The Boost Oxygen Canister ensures you have the essential respiratory support to overcome challenges and thrive, ultimately fortifying your survival preparedness in diverse environments. The LITE Survival Shelter by GoTime Gear is an indispensable addition to any survival kit, designed to ensure your safety and comfort in challenging conditions. Crafted from tear and puncture-resistant PET mylar, this weatherproof 2% tent reflects 90% of your body heat, providing warmth and dryness even in the wind, rain, and snow. Its compact design, weighing just 8.7 ounces, guarantees it won't burden you while camping, hiking, or included in your car survival kit. Quick and versatile, it sets up swiftly between trees and can be employed as an emergency sleeping bag, blanket, bivy bag, or bivy sack. Engineered for emergencies, it includes a 120 decibel whistle for alerting rescuers and 20 feet of durable paracord for securing gear or performing repairs. With its precision-engineered design, the B2 Nano Blade redefines the concept of everyday pocket knife. Crafted with an urban military concept, this mini-tactical marvel embodies military-grade durability and functionality, ensuring resilience in any survival scenario. With split blade featuring serrated teeth for tough materials like wood and a sharp edge for precise slicing, it employs the Great American Tooth pattern for effective sewing. Its discreet sizing, standing at 48mm when closed and a mere 5mm thick, allows for hidden concealment in coin pockets or attachment to keychains, offering the epitome of discreet readiness. Designed by the seasoned Vincent Pilot NG, the B2 Nano Blade stands as the world's smallest and lightest tactical pocket knife. Whether you're in need of a versatile tool in the wilderness or a handy solution in daily life, the K-Smart multifunction keychain proves indispensable, revolutionizing the concept of preparedness and utility. Designed with convenience in mind, it easily attaches to belts or backpack straps, featuring an anti-loss clip closure that securely fastens to clothing or bags, eliminating the risk of losing keys. Remarkably compact and lightweight, it's the size of a key and weighs just as much. Yet it packs an array of at least 11 essential tools, making it an optimal choice for everyday carry. With components machined from high-quality titanium and an ergonomic design, the K-Smart keychain ensures durability, ease of use, and portability. Endure Survival Kits offer a trustworthy and essential wilderness survival solution, encapsulated within a heavy-duty royal blue bag designed to withstand the harshest conditions, crucially safeguarding against hypothermia. Crafted with precision, these kits address the specific concerns of blending into fall foliage, ensuring visibility and increasing the chances of rescue. With Endure Survival Kits, you're equipped with dependable and highly visible survival gear that enhances your preparedness and survival prospects during outdoor adventures and emergencies. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest gear. If you want to stay updated on the newest tech releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.